Hello everyone, good day. It's me Louis Corpuz. Today we are just gonna walk going to a printing shop. I'm gonna get my resume be printed and photocopied. There's a cat. This is our neighbor's cat. Always goes here in their house. So let's go and walk. Bagyo paparazzi. More blessings to all of us. If you're watching, thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting this channel. I made this channel just to show how beautiful everyday Baguio is. So let's go. It's me, Louis Corpuz. More blessings to all of us. Look at the beautiful sky. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We are here in Camp Alan. Look, there's an avocado tree. Let's go walk. Our place is just near the city, so city central business district. It's probably just a 2-minute walk going down, but going back is an uphill climb, so everything is near. Family World Trans Hotel. These are the accommodations here. It's near. It's a nice place. So this is the uphill climb that we're gonna be going up later. That's SM already. SM Baguio, University of Baguio, Baguio Cathedral. So we are now here in Baguio City Market. We're going to the printing shop. Now we are in the Ukay-Ukay. 40 pesos.
Painting in one copy, 750 milligram capsule para laging malakas ang ating katawan. Yan ang misa ng IQ Review Coffee at IQ 750 milligram. Ito ang pagkakulay ng misa ng IQ Review Coffee at IQ 52 in 1 DVD. Sabi ng Cholo ng May, sabi niya, hindi ang sanamay nilong Coffee, 81